Good morning, students. So now we'll solve exercise 9.2. First question says calculate the area of following shapes using the formula for the area of square and rectangle. So let's solve these questions. Okay, now what will be the area, students? Area here will be side multiplied by side. Okay, side multiplied by side, because here length and breadth are same, so answer will be 6 multiplied by 6, so answer will be 36 m square. Now let's solve this question. Okay, area will be length into breadth. Length, what is the length here? 4 meter. And what is the breadth here? 4 meter. So answer will be 16 m square, 16 meter square. Now this is your homework. Question number C and question number D. You have to multiply 60 by 40. Okay, and answer will be in centimeter square. Here you have to multiply 12 by 9. Let's solve question number 2 now. We have to find the area. Okay, so area will be length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length here? 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter, and here also 12 centimeter, so answer is 144 centimeter square. You can see here that it is 12 centimeter and it is what? It is 12 centimeter. Now solve this question. Question solve second B. Okay, you have to solve this question. This is your homework. Okay, this much is 36. Okay, this much is 36. This much is 36 and 36. ओके, ये वाले स्क्वायर का एरिया कितना है? 36 है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज 6 इंटू 6 36 and 36 is 72. You can see that. Now let's solve question number 3. Question 3 says calculate the area of following shapes. Square of side. Okay, we have been given side of one square. Okay, so what is the area of square? Area of square will be side multiplied by side. So side is here 40. Okay, and then again side. So it will be 160 meter square, because students in square all the sides are same. Okay, इसलिए दोनों साइड सेम होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर बी 3B. A rectangular of length this and that. Okay, so we have been given length. What is the length here? 16 centimeter. And what is the breadth here? Breadth is 8 centimeter here. So students, area will be length into breadth. Length is here 16 and it is 8. So 16 into 8 common 4, 128. So answer is 128 centimeter square. Okay. Okay, so let's solve question number 4. Question number 4 says a mason, एक मिस्त्री, is tiling the floor of a room with blue square tiles. Okay, he is covering the floor with tiles, and that is blue square. That tile is square tile and blue tile. Each side of the tile is 10 centimeter long. Now you can see each side. Okay, each side of the tile is 10 centimeter long. So this is 10 centimeter. So students, we have been given side of each side of tiles. Okay, side of tiles, that is 10 centimeter. Now the floor is 450 centimeter long and 250 centimeter wide. So एक फ्लोर है जिसको कवर कर रहा है. ठीक है, सपोज स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज 450 centimeter long, and suppose this is what, this is 250. Okay, this is 250 centimeter long, and how many tiles does mason need? So we have to find out how many tiles. So we have been also given length of floor. Okay, we have been given length of floor, that is 450 centimeter, and we have to find out, we have been also given breadth of floor. Okay, that is 250 centimeter. How many tiles does need? So now you can see that one area, how much area does one tile cover? So here you see area covered by one tile. Okay, एक टाइल कितना एरिया कवर करता है? So 10 into 10, सो एक टाइल स्टूडेंट्स 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया कवर करता है. ओके, एंड पूरा एरिया कवर्ड बाय फ्लोर, पूरा आपका फ्लोर कितना कवर करेगा? सो 2 लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ, सॉरी लेंथ multiplied by breadth. So 450 multiplied by 250. Okay, centimeters square. Now ठीक है. So if we divide, okay, if we have to find out number of tiles, okay, number of tiles, so what we can do is we can divide area covered by floor divided by area covered by one tile. Okay, now एक पूरा कितना करेगा ये? Here, so 250 multiplied by 450 divided by 100. Now students, ये 0 गया और ये 0 गया. Now you can multiply 25 by 45, you will get the answer. Okay, your answer is 1125 tiles. So we need 1125 tiles. Now next question, the perimeter of square wall clock is, okay, square wall clock है, एक wall clock है, okay, घड़ी दीवाल, उसका perimeter इतना है. What is the length of side of clock? We have to find out clock का side and then area. So this is your homework, students. This is very easy question. Now question number 4th, question number 5th and question number 6th. देखो, अगर लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन. देखो, वन टाइल्स इतना कवर करता है एंड द होल फ्लोर कवर्स दिस मच. सो इफ यू डिवाइड ओके दिस area of floor by the area of tiles, so we can get how many tiles we required. Okay, next question number 6th. Mr. Sharma wants to paint the floor of the room. Okay, he wants to paint the floor of the room. Each wall is 6 meter long. Let's solve this question. So Mr. Sharma wants to paint the 4 walls of his room. So he has, in his house he has 4 walls. Each wall is 6 meter long and 4 meter wide. Find the total area he needs to paint. So this is one room, this is one wall, and like that it's this is 6 meter long. Okay, 6 meter long and 4 meter wide. It is 4 meter wide. Now we have been given length. We have been given length of wall, that is 6 meter. We have been given breadth of wall, that is 4 meter. Now we have to find the total area. Okay, we have to find out total area of 4 wall. So what we'll do is we'll find out the area of one wall and then we'll multiply it. So area of one wall will be length into breadth. Length is 6 meter and breadth is 4 meter, so it will be 24 meter square. And now we can easily find area of 4 walls. So 24 multiplied by 4, answer will be 96 meter square. This is our answer.